sound. Something on my board or something. I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know. Let me see if it does it if I play a song. Is it making the noise now? I just totally unplugged my mic. Let me check. Well, Lester called. Well, now my show won't play on my iPhone. Let me go check another one. I'm looking to go back on. Chris, hang on. I'm trying to check on this because I think it's my microphone. Hang on, Chris. Hang on just 1 second. Let me see if it's on here. No, something's wrong, damn it. Chris, hold on, baby. Stop calling me for a second. Just don't call me for 1 minute. What about now? Is it any different now? Let me check this. Something's wrong. No, something's wrong. It's something wrong with my board or my neck. I don't know what it is. And Victor's not here, so there's no way to check it with him. It's going to keep making that noise. Something wrong with my microphone or something. I can't tell what's going on. I haven't changed any of the settings on my board. Yeah, I'm talking. Y'all can't hear me? I don't know what to do. Lester called. And this is weird. Chris, what? What? What is it? Why do you keep... I'm trying to fix my show.
Where's my microphone?
Okay, well, I'm hanging up on Chris. Chris is being an asshole. He's turning out to be a complete asshole is what he's being, and I'm not going to put up with that shit. Chris can just forget it. That's horrible the way he's being to me,